from grade 4 Thessalonica for their outstanding scholastic performance in the accomplishment of schoolworks. The following students are awarded with high honors: Johan Angelo V. Cruz, Drazardon E. Mendoza, Michael Carlos Gabriel L. Dehan, Mackenzie F. Espino, Adrian Dominic Tria, Faye Janelli M. Miranda. For their admirable diligence year-round, the following students are recognized with honors: Felix Eleazar T. Perez, Kristen Chloe L. Perez, Sean Christoph G. Canlas, Irla Cyrene S. Maniego, Ann Margaret P. Faustino, Gianna Ray S. Cristobal, Joseph Edens C. Año Nuevo, Seth Ezekiel V. Fajardo, Siana Elena A. Balenya, Vince Baron G. Garcia, Peter Queen E. Cruz, Rain Ashley C. Calao, Chloe Ann C. De la Cruz, Jarvin May P. Tubog, Elmer Miguel B. Manalaysay, Kyle Chesley F. Fernandez, Rihanna Marie D. Centeno, Isabel Chasha P. Sanjego, Louis Alexis F. Serrana, Jez Roland I. Mariano, Danilyn DJ Tres Reyes, Fredrich Benz SF Aguinaldo, Rom Jacob A. Rojas, Denise Rian R. Lazaro, Giancarlo C. Valenzuela, Aliana Jasmine G. Daludong, and Megan Addison D. Tiburcio. Congratulations, my dear little icons!